No, sir.
First, I will be explaining you the lookup table first. Which one is a lookup table? This one is a lookup table. Lookup table starting from
3000H.
300H.
300H.
300H, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the first content? It is a 0. Second memory location means 3001, 301. It's 1.
1.
302, it's a 4. 303, it's a 9.
9.
304, it's a 16. Not 16, it will be storing as a 1, 0. Why? Sir, after 0, 1, 4, 9,
All are decimal number.
anything is mentioned like H, like B, like D, anything is mentioned?
No, sir.
So it's
No,
if
sir.
it is a not mentioned, so we are assuming this is a
Binary
1,
number.
0.
no, this is a decimal number.
Okay, decimal.
This is a decimal number, and corresponding hexadecimal number will be automatically stored in that particular memory locations. So 16 hexadecimal is 10H. So 10H will be stored in 304H. Am I right?
Huh.
Similarly, 305 is 25. 25 means corresponding is 19. If you are converting 15 into the hexadecimal, it will be 19. So 19H. 306, it will be 24. So corresponding hexadecimal value will be stored in the corresponding memory location. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next, why this kind of
Sir,
data?
আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে
Yes, sir.
স্যার এই জায়গাটা 301 বললেন তাই তো
First, starting from 300, it is a 0.
0
301, 301, it will be 1. 302, it is a 4.
কেন হচ্ছে 2 কেন হলো না
302 to holo.
কি করে
Means why this data will be stored?
Yes, sir.
Why this data? That's the I am coming into. 0 means 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16,
Oh, so
5 square is
written in the
25.
square form.
All are in a square. So what are the questions?
Square form.
Yes, sir.
We need x square from the value of x from a lookup table. This is a lookup table, or this is the, there is a table. From this table, we will be getting the data, the square of a number, and that will be shown to you in a port 2, through port 2. So whatever will we get the square will be given into the port 2. So from P1, if I am draw a diagram like that, this is a, microcontroller, and this is say P1, and this is say P2. Is it clear? All of you can see my copy.
Yes, sir.
So we are given over here x, we are getting over here x square. Means we are getting from the outside, x by using microcontroller, and using microcontroller, the corresponding square will be shown to you on port 2. So x will be getting from P1, and x square will be given to port 2. This is our one motto. So how x will be become x square? Either multiply x into x, or there is another method. Is it from lookup table? Lookup table means already there is a table. From that particular table, you can see and you give the answer, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So from 300 is the 300, there is a 0, 301 is a 4. So why this this lookup table is clear to everyone? Then I will be coming into the program. This lookup table is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Absolutely
And
clear.
how
Yes,
this
sir.
data will be stored, it is clear. Why 306 is 24? We are not put it over here 24.
No, sir.
Why 306 is 24? What will be the content over here in 306? 36?
36.
36.
30,
Yes.
if you are converting into the hexadecimal, that is 2, that is 32. And what are the remainder part?
4.
4. So it's a like that. So 2, 4.
Okay. Acha, sir.
Okay. Similarly, say
Hmm.
81 divided by 16, how much? 5 into 16, how much? 80.
Hmm.
What will be the remainder
Then
part?
1.
1. So it will be
1 means 51.
51. Just you see the 309, it's a 51.
Yes, sir.
Say 308 means 64.
Like that only. Sir.
4 divided by 16.
Hmm.
So it will be how much? 4. What will be the remainder part? Is 0. So it will be
0. That's why 40.
40. It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So next part, the program. Remember one thing, by default, all the port used as an output port. By default, all the port used as an output port. By default, all the port used as an output port. But if you required to use any port as an input port, use as a port any input port, then you need to program, or you need to given some high value into that particular line. So in this program, just see, initially we are given a high. So first we are given ORG0000H, means this is the
Sir,
starting
originating
line of the
address
program.
is 0.
This is starting line of the program. Every program should be starting with these instructions. This is the program is starting from the 0000H, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, move DPTR comma has 300H. Move DPTR comma has 300H. So what will be happen? Move DPTR comma has 300H. What will be happened?
The
300H will be stored into the DPTR. So in the DPTR register, 300H will be stored, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Move A comma has 0 FFH. Move A comma has 0 FFH. What does it mean?
Move A comma has 0 FFH. So that means 0 FFH এতে মুভ করছে এটা
Means accumulator will be FFH.
FFH.
So accumulator will be FFH, right? It will be sending into the port 1. So what will be happening in the port 1? Port 1 is nothing but a consist of P1.0, P1.1, P1.2, P1.3 up to P1.7, right? Right?
Answer.
So what will be FF? FF means it's a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So every pin should be 1. Am I right? Every pin should be 1. Okay. Means a high value at the initial level we are given in the port 1. A high value at the initial level we are given in the port 1. Right? A high value given in the port 1. It's clear?
Sir.
Next, move A comma P1. What will be the happen? Move A comma P1.
Move A comma P1.
Means if you are given
Port 1 value copied in the
I am given any value, but after that, say I am given like 1, 1. Next, all are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it's a 0. It's a 3. I am given 0, 3. Right? P1.7 like that. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 I am given. This is P1.7. This is P 1.0.
0.
So it's a 0, it's a 3. So I am given the value instead of x is given 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what are the value of dptr?
So 0, 3.
Not 03. dptr value
300.
300. So 300 is the value of dptr, right?
Hmm.
So now what will be the content of the first instructions? What will be the content of first after these instructions? So what are the content of A? That is X, that is 3.
Hmm.
Because I am given 03. What are the content of dptr?
300.
So A plus dptr, how much?
303.
303. What are the content of 303? 303 memory location. What are the content? 0, 1, 2,
09.
09H.
09.
So 09H. So 09H coming into the accumulator. Then accumulator content will be sending into the port 2. So port 2 will be x square, that is 09. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. There are 2 timer or 2 counter. I already told to you. Am I right? This is a new chapter. I already told you that we have several, SFR register which are explained later. It is starting from PSW. So I already given only one explanation, that is the PSW. Rest all will be discussed. The first is the PSW, right?
Yes, sir.
So in a PSW register, in a PSW registers, we already explained. Next is there TMOD and TCON. What are the name? TMOD and TCON? TMOD is a full name. I already explained you in the SFR register in the previous class. TMOD is nothing but a timer mode. And TCON
Yes, sir. Timer mode and timer control.
Timer control. So TMOD is a timer mode and timer control. We are explaining these two today. So it's operate on which? It's operate on timer. It's operate on timer. There are how many timers? There are 2 timers. How many
Yes, sir.
bits?
2 timers.
How many bits?
16 bit.
So this 16-bit timer, we can operate in a different mode. That will be controlled by TMOD. And how it will be controlled? That will be controlled by TCON, timer control, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what are the requirement of mode? What are the requirement of mode? Means say 16-bit means it can count from 0000 to FFFF, right?
Yes, sir.
It can count from 0000 to
FFFF.
Okay.
Hmm.
So 0000 to FFFF, it can maximum count. Say, sir, if we are in a 10 number of people, so how many counts in our childhood game?
0 to 10.
10 জন মেম্বার ধরো আমরা খেলছি, then 100 অবধি count. If member is 20, then how much count?
স্যার ওটা 10 থেকে ধরছি, আগের 10টা আমার গার্বেজ ভ্যালু থাকছে।
না আগে 10 জন মেম্বারের জন্য আমরা 100 অবধি গোনা করছিলাম 0 to
আচ্ছা।
100
তাহলে
If-
20 জনের জন্য
20
200
জনের জন্য it will be 200
yes sir
so if I am talking about the first one is called 100 counting mode, second one is called 200 counting mode.
yes sir
First one is called 100 counting mode and second one is called 200 counting mode. Similarly, in 8051, there is a several mode which is controlled by T-con register, a T-mod register. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, when it's called timer and when it's called counter?
So this is
When count the internal clock pulses, then it's called timer. When count the external clock pulses, then
External.
it's called counter.
that's it counter yes
মানে স্যার একটা এক্সাম্পল ধরো আমি আজকে মিস্টার এক্স কে পানিশমেন্ট দিলাম 100 বার কান ধরে উঠবস করতে হবে আর এটা কাউন্টিং এর জন্য আমি শুভ্রাকে দায়িত্ব দিলাম শুভ্রা কি করবে শুভ্রা কি নিজে থেকে কাউন্টিংটা বাড়াতে পারবে 1 2 3 4 5 6 এরকম ভাবে গুনতে পারবে
না স্যার
it will be depend upon that particular person only সে যদি দুবার কাউন্ট দুবার you know after two times up and down if he or she is waited for 2 minutes or 3 minutes then what will be happen
she is stopped. Shubhra is stopped to count.
yeah Subhra also stop the counting means it's a completely depend upon the external event right
yes sir
এই পানিশমেন্টটা যদি আমি শুভ্রাকে দিতাম শুভ্রা কি করতো
One,
skip
two,
করে বেরিয়ে যেত
1 2 3
বা
4 5
jump
6 sir
করে
complete हो गया
हाँ,
sir
हाँ,
complete means it
এটা
will be
internal
depend
data.
upon her speed only
yes sir
so in this case this is called timer and when Subhra is counting from the external event then it's called counter. Is it
Counter.
clear?
yes sir
Sir, how many timer and counter in available in over here?
So two.
Two. Sir, what will be the name? One is timer
timer
0,
1 timer 2 or timer 0 timer 1
0 and timer 1.
timer 1.
yes sir
Timer 0 and timer 1.
timer 1
Sir, this is also dividing into the two part. One is called TH0, another is called TL0.
th1 tl 0
And
the
this is
th1
called
tl1
TL.
tl1
Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
This is for timer 0. This is for timer 1. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Next, we will be going into the timer operations. That is T mode. This is also a 8-bit register. One, two, three, four up to this, and 1 2 3 4 up to this. This is for timer 0. This is for timer 1. This 4-bit is for timer 1. This 4-bit is for timer 0. Is it clear?
0 yes sir
This is gate. This is C/T bar. This is M1. This is M0. Similarly, gate C/T bar M1 M0. So if I'm learned this 4 operation, rest 4 operation basically same, right?
Yes, sir.
This gate pin is not set by the us. This is set by the hardware. After set this pin, corresponding timer will be automatically on for counting the clock pulses. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This gate pin is not set by the us. It will be set by the hardware.
Hardware.
Ke set korbe? Then I
Hardware.
am also telling you T-con register. then there is a T-con register, there is a bit which is set or reset this get pin. What are the function of
Okay.
get pin? After set this bit, this timer 1 will be operation. After set this pin, timer 0 will be operation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After this get pin is on, timer 1 will be operation mode. After this get pin is set, timer 0 will be operation mode. If both are reset, then both the timer will not be working. If both are set, means both the timer is working, counting the clock pulses. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
C/T bar, with the help of, see the name, what you understood?
The counter plus timer bar.
Very good. Counter or timer. What are the operations is doing on this timer? This is a timer operation or counter operation? If it is a counter operation, then this bit should be high. If it is a timer operation, then it should be 0. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If this bit is 1, then it will be counter operation. If this bit is 0, then it's a timer operations.
Mm.
Okay. Next.
Okay, sir.
Depend upon the M0 and M1, we have 4 different mode. 00 is called mode 0. 01 it's called mode 1. 10 it's called mode 2. 11 is called mode 3. There should be some explanations. You should be write it down. Mode 0 is called 13-bit timer mode. Mode 0 is called 13-bit timer mode. Just you can see 13-bit timer mode. Okay? 13-bit timer mode. You write down over here 13-bit timer mode.
Yes, sir.
Okay? 13-bit timer mode. After that, you write down it can count. It can count from 0000 to FF1F. It can count from 0000 to FF1F. It can count from 0000 to FF1F. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Here, 8-bit for THX and 5-bit for TLX. Here 8-bit for THX and 5-bit for TLX. Here 8-bit for THX and 5-bit for TLX.
TLX and THX এর ফুল ফর্মটা একটু বলবেন?
বলছি। Okay, 8-bit for THX and 5-bit for TLX. Okay? Sir, THX is nothing but it may be TH0 or TL0. Sorry, TH1. Means it may be for timer 0, it's maybe for timer 1. It's maybe for timer 0, it's maybe for timer 1. Means, Amito sir, I'm just explaining you these 2 bit. But the same function over here also.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm cleverly say THX.
Okay.
Means for this 2 bit mode, it is a TH1. For these 2, it's a TH0. So that's why I'm telling you the THX. Similarly, for TLX means
TL0 or TL1?
TL0 and
TL1.
TL1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 8-bit for THX and 5-bit for TLX. Sir, what are the total registers?
16-bit. 13-bit.
TH0. TH0, hello. So TA is 0 and this is a TL0. It's a 8-bit. It's a 5-bit, right? So 8-bit means 80 281. So what will be the value? It's a 0, it's a 0, it's a F, and it's a F. 0 0 to FF. And 5-bit means 0 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1 1. So it's a 0, it's a 0, it's a F, it's a 1.
1.
Because all other value is assuming it's a 0.
Yes, sir.
What will be the value? It is starting from 0 0 0 0 to FF
1F.
1F. That's why I am mentioning you. Is the range is 0 0 0 0 to FF 1F.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, write down for mode 2. Mode 2 is nothing but you are after given a hyphen. Sorry, mode 1 given a hyphen 16-bit timer mode. 16-bit timer mode. So it can be count from 0 0 0 0 to FF 0 0 0 0 to FF 0 0 0 0 to FF. Here 8-bit for THX and 8-bit for TLX. Here 8-bit for THX and 8-bit for TLX.
Yes, sir.
8-bit for THX and 8-bit for TLX.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why this 2 mode is required? Anyone can give any idea? Next time coming into the third then. Sir, if you required smaller respect to time, then you are going into the mode 1, mode 0. That is 13-bit timer mode. If you are required the higher delay, then you are going into the mode 1, that is a 16-bit timer mode. So it can be count from 0 0 0 0 to FF, right?
Yes, sir.
এটা কি বোঝা গেছে না যায়নি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
If small number of count is required, if small delay is required, then it's the mode
That time we used mode 0, and when large number of
count
delay
is
we
required, then
required,
it's
that
the mode
time.
1.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Next, my question is, there is a problem, you know, for initial value. Say one counting is starting from 0 0 0 0 and ending at FF, right? Say instead of 0 0, if I am given the initial value like ABCD, so it will be count from ABCD to FF. It will be count from ABCD to FF. It will not be count from 0 0 0 0 to FF. So to count ABCD to FF, it's a you know, with respect to this one, it's a smaller count. With respect to this one, it's a smaller count.
Yes, sir.
So delay will be small. So after FF, it becomes 0 0 0 0 again. Means if you need this delay once again, this initial value ABCD should be stored into the THX and TLX. Because THX and TLX is counting the value, storing the value. After FF becomes THX and TLX will be becomes 0 0 0 0 H. So if you required, you will be change again from, you know, 0 0 0 0 to ABCD again. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Means I just give an example. Say আমরা 10 জন মিলে খেলাটা খেলছিলাম, কত অবধি কাউন্টিং ছিল? How much counting will be there?
100.
100. So I am always starting from 70, 71, 72. So you know, Subra is thinking about that sir is doing some mistake, sir cheating us. So Subra bollo ami sir khelbo na, ami ekhane dariye achi. Means what are the functions of Subra? Whenever someone is coming, means after me, maybe you know, maybe Aniket is there, so after me, whenever Aniket is coming, Subra is told sir is starting from 70, you can also start from 70. Is it clear? This is called initial value. I should be complete at the end, that is 100, but initial value, if I am given there is a higher value, that is a 70 or you know 80, then the counting will be reduced.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
So like that only here, na ABCD to FFF. Yes, sir.
Like ABCD to FFF. What are the disadvantage of mode 0 and mode 1? Subra is not available for mode 0 and mode 1. This initial value should be given again. It's not stored automatically. Okay. Next, Subra coming in the picture, and that is called mode 2, is called 8-bit auto reload mode. 8-bit auto reload mode. 8-bit auto reload mode. 8-bit auto reload mode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It can count from 00 to FF. It can count 00 to FF. Here, THX used for store the initialization value. Here, THX is used for store the initialization value. And TLX used for counting the value. And TLX used for counting the value. Here THX used for
Initial value.
store the initial value, and TLX used for counting the value.
Counting the value.
Means what আমি যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিলাম, 10 জনের শুভ্রা দাঁড়িয়ে থাকলো, শুভ্রা is basically THX and TLX all of us. যে চোর হবে সে TLX. Means say I am counting from AB, so I need a small delay, so it will be count from AB to up to FF.
Okay.
Right? It counting from AB to
Okay.
FF. Okay. After FF, it becomes
Zero.
becomes
0, 0.
0. It's no. This initial value again stored.
Okay, mode B. Acha.
That is in TLX.
Oh.
So it's stored into the THX, which is nothing but a Shubra, and it automatically stored into the TLX. From the TLX, it will be increased one by one, and it will be go to the up to FF. Whenever it will complete the FF, when it becomes 0, 0, again the value of THX again stored into the TLX. Means it will not be 0, 0, it will be again starting from AB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Means always starting from initial value, not starting from 0, 0. Whatever the initial value you are given in the first, it will be doing in everywhere. Next is mode 3, that is called split timer mode. That's called split timer mode. That's called
Split
split timer
timer
mode.
mode. Okay.
Split timer mode, it also counts from 00 to FF. It counts from 00 to FF.
Hmm.
Here, TI is 0 used for timer 1 and TL0 used for timer 0. This is nothing but 8-bit timer mode. Is simply, you know, TI is 0 used for timer 1 and TL0 used for timer 0.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but a C oblique T bar if is 0. Just see the diagram. If you see the diagram, you will be able to understand a little bit. If C oblique T bar is equal to 0, then it's a timer operation. It's coming from the external internal oscillator. Means crystal, whatever the crystal you have, you just coming over here. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
If C oblique T bar is equal to 1, then this switch will be connected with that. Then clock pulse will be connected from external event, means pin 3.0, pin 3.4,
And 4.
T0 pin. External clock will be counted. Okay. And that is the function of TR0. I will be coming into the TR0, what are the functions, but this gate pin is depend upon the, without gate pin, it will not be on.
Get pin and এই এখানে পিন এন্ড গেট যেটা আমরা ইনপুট করছি ওটা কি ন্যান্ড গেট?
Yes,
আচ্ছা,
non-NAND and gate.
and
There is a no bubbles. This is the function of TCON register. First, you write down the functions first. Okay. Write down this block only.
Yes, sir.
It's done.
no sir.
For me, yes, sir. Done.
Next, heading karo TFX. TFX means it consists of TF0 and
T1.
TF1. আমি দুটোর ফাংশন একসঙ্গে লেখাচ্ছি, TF0 and TF1. Okay.
Hmm.
Timer X overflow flag. Timer X overflow flag.
Hmm.
Timer X overflow flag. After timer X is overflow, after timer X is overflow, after timer X is overflow,
Is overflow.
after timer X is overflow, corresponding TFX bit, corresponding TFX bit, corresponding TFX bit
Hmm.
corresponding TFX bit will be automatically set. Means, sir, say in a 16-bit timer mode. So after FFFF, what will be the content? What will be the content?
0 0 0 0.
0 0 0.
Means this timer is overflow. Corresponding TFX bit will be automatically set to 1. To see the TFX bit, to see the TFX bit, we are able to understand whether the timer, counting is going on or it's over. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
After FFFF, whenever it will be becomes 0, means whenever it is overflow, then corresponding TFX bit will be set. Corresponding TFX bit means, sir, for timer 0, it set the TF0. For timer 1, it set the TF1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is TRX. Timer X run control bit. Timer X run control bit.
Sir, it is to tier 0, tier 1.
Obviously, TR0 and TR1. Timer X run control bit. After set this bit, corresponding gate pin will be automatically on
Will be automatically on.
okay, which is
Sir, will be automatically on. Then which is
no. Whatever I'm telling you, then corresponding gate pin will be automatically on. As a result, corresponding timer. As a result, corresponding timer will be start counting the clock pulses. Means, sir, if this TR1 bit will be I am setting, then timer 1 will be on. If TR0 will be setting, then timer 0 will be on for counting the clock pulses. But how? How is nothing but this gate pin or that gate pin will be automatically, working. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is IX. External interrupt X, edge flag. Sir, how many external interrupt is there?
2 external interrupt.
Huh?
1 external interrupt.
Internal, external. How many external interrupt is there?
2.
কোথায় থেকে পেয়েছো স্যার এটা? Give me from where you will be get it. Architecture diagram. How many external interrupts? 2. What are the name? In pin configuration, it is available INT0 and INT1.
1.
INT0 and INT1. So how microcontroller will be understood that external interrupt is occurred? It will be depend upon IE1 and IE0. If I1 is set, means external interrupt is already, occurred. IE0 is set, means external interrupt 0 is occurred, right? This is a hardware pin. It will be set by the hardware. So, ki likhla mami? External interrupt X edge flag. Am I right? Huh? Set by the CPU or set by the hardware, CPU, whatever you can write. Set by the hardware when external interrupt detected. When external interrupt detected. Okay? When external interrupt detected. It's clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ashu. It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next, what will be the next step? That is the ITX. What are the functions of ITX? ITX means IT0 and IT1. Sir, external interrupt means one pin is there called INT0 and another pin is INT1. Okay, INT0 and INT1, these two pin are there. INT0 and INT1, these two pin is there. When these two pin will be set or reset. INT1 and INT0, what are the function of INT0 and INT1? This is the external interrupt 0. This is a external interrupt 1, right? So interrupt generate when? Maybe this kind of clock pulses enter into the INT0 pin, or this kind of clock pulses enter into the INT1 pin. But external interrupt generate when? External interrupt generate in the two different cases. One is called falling edge. This is called falling edge. If I am draw the diagram like that, this is called falling edge. Okay? It's clear? Either in falling edge or it's a low level. Either it's a falling edge or it's a low level. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So falling edge or low level depend upon that. Falling edge or low level depend upon that. We are able to do. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Falling edge when ITX is equal to 1. When ITX is equal to 0, then it's a low level. Interrupt will be generate at low level. Interrupt will be generate at low level. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Falling edge when ITX is equal to 1. And low level when
ITX is equal to 0.
0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is a falling edge, this is a low level. Sir, ITX means IT0 is for external interrupt 0. IT1 is for external interrupt 1. Okay? Okay? Write down ITX. this bit is set or reset by the software or user, if this bit is set, then falling edge interrupt will be recognized. Then falling edge interrupt will be recognized. Then falling edge interrupt will be recognized. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If ITX is 0, then low level interrupt will be recognized. Then low level interrupt will be recognized. This is a falling edge, this is a low level. Then low level interrupt will be recognized. Then low level interrupt will be recognized. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just see, this is C oblique T bar is equal to 0, means timer operations, right?
Hmm.
Counting the internal clock pulses, no issue. This is a mode 0, means 13-bit timer mode, means it is a THX is a 8-bit, TLX is a 5-bit. After FF1F, corresponding TF bit will be automatically set. This is called overflow flag. Okay. And in mode 1, that is 16-bit timer mode, it is a THX and TLX. After FFFF, when it has become a 0, then TF flag will be automatically set. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This two diagram is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow I will be explain from this, because it's required, you